Welcome to new tutorial inside the Creo Parametric 5.0. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you model this stud bolt inside the Creo Parametric. So this is really a very simple tutorial for the beginners. So now to make it, and we will create threads on both of the side of the stud. To do this, let me open a new part, solid, assign the proper name and say OK. Now I'll extrude and I will draw a circle like this, and I will come to the dimension and let me keep it 10 for now. See, and I will hit the check mark. Now I will keep the extrusion length 50 millimeter and let me keep it as mid plane, and I will hit the check mark. Okay, now switch in the data planes and I will select this. I will sketch on it. I'll make it normal. Again, switch off the data planes. Now I switch off and switch on my data planes. So you have to make the map keys. For that I will give a link in the description. So you must watch that. You will understand how to make the map keys and how can you use it. Now I will draw a line like this and I will dimension it. I will keep it 15. Again I will draw center line and I will save. Now I will come to helical sweep and I will sketch my profile over here. Again come to line and draw a profile like this, and I will hit the check mark. Now I will come to remove material and here I will come to pitch and I will keep the pitch 1 or 1.3. See, and press the middle mouse button to check the green mark. See, now this is proper on one side, but if you know what is a stud, so stud is a cylindrical bar and then both of the sides has threaded portions. So now I will just mirror this. I will come here, I will mirror it. I'll later switch on my data planes. I will select this plane and I will come from it. Again switch off my data planes. See, so this is really grateful for you people, that how can you make a stud bolt. So this is simple tutorial. Hopefully you might get something important from this. Now I want to assign some color. So select the body. I will come to view and let me assign some solid color. See, so hopefully you understand how can you model a stud bolt inside the Creo Parametric. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you receive the upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.